We'll guide you through how to create a WooCommerce product configurator. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have WooCommerce installed and activated. Then, you need to install a plugin that allows product customization. A popular choice is the WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin. Go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for WooCommerce Product Add-ons. Install and activate it. Once activated, go to WooCommerce in the left-hand menu and select Product Add-ons. You can start by clicking on Add New Group to create a set of options for your product. Name your group something descriptive like color options or size customization. Now, you can add different fields or options by clicking Add Field. Choose the type of field you want, like a drop-down, radio button, or checkbox. For a customizable product, drop-downs and radio buttons are often best. Enter the label and options for each field. For example, under color, you might have options like red, blue, and green. This step is crucial as it determines how your customers will interact with the configurator. Don't forget to set pricing adjustments if necessary, especially if certain customizations cost more. Once you've configured all your options, don't forget to save your changes. Now, go to your products, select the one you want to apply the configurator to, and in the Product Editing screen, scroll down to the Product Data section. Switch to the Product Add-ons tab and select the option groups you just created. This will attach the configurator to the product. Finally, preview your product on the front end to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Customers will now see the configurator options and can customize their products before adding them to the cart. This method enhances user experience and can significantly boost sales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.